Good day, my beautiful people. It's the next day. I just finished ate bread and chips, hot chips. So I just came in here because my family is busy watching a series and I don't want to be copyrighted or anything. So I came here just to explain to you guys what you guys are going to see that I'm doing. So I'm gonna go and clean the. You remember I spoke to you guys yesterday, my previous clip, and I said to you guys that I'll be organizing today. So I washed the containers last night, as you saw, and now I'm just going to put everything in place. So we went out, we just came back and ate. So when we went out, I went to look for also sticker vinyl because I want to name everything according to the containers, but unfortunately we did not find stores open, and the guy we always buy like vinyls from, since you guys know that we do t-shirt printing, was not available, so he was not there. So with that being said, I'm just gonna go in, remove like the front sticker that says what can go in there. Apparently what helps is a hair dryer or hot hair dryer will remove that sticker very easily. So I'm gonna try that and I'm gonna take you guys along with me, and then after that just gonna throw the things where I want to, and I'll show you guys an overview. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys that really do that. I appreciate you guys who really do that for me. And yeah, let's get into the video. Meet you on the other side. So unfortunately I'm gonna make noise with this hair dryer there in the kitchen. So I just brought like the container. I'm gonna bring one by one, remove this so that I'll be able to stick my own thing that I want there. So yeah, I'm gonna do it in the room, guys. Here's the hair dryer on my bed. So let me get started. I'll get back to you guys when I'm done. Hi guys, so yeah, I'm just gonna remove everything that's in the fridge, clean out the fridge, and then I'm going to start organizing. So yeah, let's go.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. No, 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chug a look around. Find one to see my type. Damn, my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. She blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Jury in the safe on arrival. Pistol on Jay for survival. A lot of people gunning for the tire.
I am back, and guys, I'm trying out this new trick that I saw where you have to put paper towels in your fruits. As you saw, I rinsed my fruits. Apparently keeps the moist away. So I'm gonna try that and see how it works for me. So I put a paper towels in every of my fruits to see how it's gonna work. Let's see, guys.
A lot of people trying to take us viral. I'm just trying to have a nice night. The waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think there was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it, that's light, though. I can show you bigger things than that. It's gonna be a minute till I'm back. Let me get you images that last. Amex had a limit in the past. I had plenty women in the past. I done plenty sinning in the past. You don't need to know, but you can ask. Sticking on your backstage pass, all access, cause you bad. You could go wherever with that ass. Show to the shower, to the truck to the club for the party. You go in first with your girls, cause I don't know who's out there watching. But I do know one thing, yo. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. She blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Alright guys, as you can see that I have placed everything in their containers. All I need now is labels just to make it look more clean and neat, and to label everything where it is. But as you can see, everything is in place, cute and stuff. Now we're moving on to the cabinets where I'm gonna organize them. I'm just cleaning out the drawer where the spoons is, and then I'm also gonna clean the second drawer out where I'm gonna just place my spices, because where my spices are now, they're standing in a container and I'm not feeling that vibe. So the previous place I stayed at, that's what I did. I put my spices in a drawer. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do it again in this apartment. And yeah, you guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video so far, the organizing, and hope it gives you guys like motivation to also start, you know, organizing your place according to how you would love it to be, and not just, don't get me wrong, don't just sit around, you know, and wish for it. It won't happen. But I hope this video will give you like motivation for you to stand up and do it. And yeah, you guys, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we will talk later.
And when we're making love, your cries, they can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between us.
Guys, I'm so sorry, my camera was still not placed. Okay, and as you guys can see, it's like slowly moving down and down and down. My tripod, my stand is broken. I actually just have to get a new stand. It's so broken. Look at it. It just moved my phone until it was like down. So I have to get a new one and replace that one. But anyway, I'm just gonna cut out that piece and then move on. Let's go. Then fast forward, I fixed the camera, and yeah, I'm packing back all the groceries. I did wipe out the cupboards when my phone was skew, and you guys missed that part because I carried it out. But I did wipe all the cupboards, and now I'm just placing and packing everything different to what it was before. So yeah.
Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it.
Just to get thankful that I had days full of you, before it winds down into the memories. It's all just memories now.
Don't you love when I come around? Fill you up, then I take you down. Don't you love when I come around? Build you up, then I take. Oh yeah, baby.
sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new Patek, I had to watch so I two-tone them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. If it ain't your car, you just a lease, so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that fire when I'm performing. The back end just came in and out honest. Vibes galore, cute. They all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she coming. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Look too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, tripping on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Look too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, tripping on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made.
Every other night another dollar getting made. Every other night started with a good day. I feel like a child, I got boogers in the face. I'm dancing in the dollar, this is a parade. I don't want your chain, I'm gon' put another shade. I hate that shot that too many bitches getting saved. Yeah, celebrate me, so I took a private plane. Get like I'm walking on my aim. You too hard to the car, to the center, to the ground, like a better spell a name. You too hard, touching on the floor, you gon' walk around and drown, try and run it away.
Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, tripping on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, tripping on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, tripping on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made.
Guys, this is an overview on how everything turned out in the cabinet. And yeah, those two spices is just the spices that I show you guys. It doesn't have space in the spices cabinet, but I'm gonna use them and then I'm gonna throw them away because they're too big. And yeah, that's the third one I'm just showing you guys. And then moving on, I have the dry ingredients place where my Kellogg's, my cornflakes, and all those stuff, they're in there. So that's how everything looked now.
Hey my beautiful people, I'm back. It's a week later and I just did my hair today. Even though the side is big, it's a little bit bothering me, but and the sun is so nice in it, but it's okay. My hair was in a state of needed to be plaited, so I did that. So I just came in here because I had to share. Look, I can't share my excitement inside there because my boo is watching a movie, the kids are making their own noise, like it's just a lot of distraction. But guys, I've been waiting to get a microwave for 10 to 11 months now. I've been waiting to get a microwave, and today is the day that I finally got it. Oh my goodness, you guys don't understand the excitement and the happiness for a microwave. Yes, that's me. I'm so excited, like because it's been a struggle warming food like in the pots and stuff. Oh no. But we've made it. And I have my ribs. I want to show you guys. I'm gonna go unbox it, place it where it's supposed to be. Come guys, let's go. Talk too much. Let's just go. I'm super excited. But yeah, let me take you guys along. You guys say how I said on my new camera. That's my excitement, guys. Sorry. Excuse me, but yeah, let's go.
I be so bored myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, step when you around me. Treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, boy, can we just rub it out? I don't want no standing with you, you know you my thug, and I can't shake this tab enough. I've been down, baby, every reminiscing, every young missing you, wishing, living in what it was. I've been down, baby, lost in the line of us, lost in no finding us. I've been down, baby. If you wonder why, I do. City of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you want it, I hate you. City of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. Used to be too silent till you scramble me. Used to be your rider, you meant to handle me. Used to be non-violent till you ambush me. Now I'm at your violent with me. Now I'm at your silent treatment.
Hey, different.